Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you our apartment project. So I have here the floor plan and some 3D pictures so that you will have an idea what it will look like in the actual building, okay, in the actual setting. And the property is in the residential area, so we are not the type of hostel or transient rooms that has a party place. Okay, we don't have a restaurant, but we only do have a roof deck with mini garden, but we still have to develop that one. This building is a 3-floor building with a roof deck, and so this is the floor plan. The main gate is at this side. This is the toilet and bath. It's inside the room. 2 toilet and bath with water heater. So usually they call this en-suite in the hostel world. Okay, en-suite. So this is the kitchen, and the kitchen has a sink, a induction cooker, and a range hood. At the same time, it also has a washer. It doesn't have a dryer, but the washer, once you take out the clothes, it's already damp. And there is a balcony where you can hang your clothes. And then there are 2 bunk beds, equivalent to 4 tenants inside the room. This one here, the metal gate here, we will put a smart lock. It could be a biometric or a code smart lock. We still have to decide on that. And each sliding gate has screen door so that you guys can open it. So if you want the air to come in, and you want the air to come in but prevent the mosquitoes to go inside, so you can use that screen door. And then there is also a refrigerator. At the balcony, there is also a glass sliding door with screen door as well. At the dining area, there is a foldable dining table and chairs. And there is a floor-to-ceiling cabinet with locks. Now let's go to the 3D pictures. This is the main gate. So there is a smart lock access. The design of the gate is a Chinese gate. And then we put wooden outdoor tiles here because from the design of the gate, when it's raining, definitely the rain will come inside. So we are putting here an outdoor wooden tiles. And in here we have the room gate. It's metal room door with smart lock or biometric locks with sliding glass mirror door. So when you're facing the room gate, the sliding glass is mirror. Okay, we did it like this so that the space would not look so small to make it feel more open. If you're standing in front of the gate, this is your view. The stairs going to the 2nd floor, and to the right is the room, and then in front is the utility room. So we just talked to our contractor. There might be some issues with the easement, I think, because the property is along the road. So we still have to. There might be some changes on this 3D design, but for now it is like this. Okay, now we are looking at the kitchen. Okay, the backsplash is a subway tiles. And on top of that are the cabinets, and under that are some cabinets and the washer. Okay, and then we also put a fire extinguisher in every room. Okay, you can see the washing machine here. The washing machine is more or less like this. We are going to put a front load washing machine, 6 kg, automatic. Okay, but it doesn't have a dryer. Okay, now in this view, in this slide, you are at the kitchen facing the 2 toilet doors and the room entrance. So you can also see the lights here. So these toilet doors are not sliding doors. They are a swing mirror door. Okay, and you can see here the refrigerator. So this is the view when you are standing at the room entrance. The flooring, this is not This is not supposed to be gray. It's more like a white or a dirty white 60 by 60 tiles. Here you can see the toilet doors, the kitchen, and the bed 1 and the bed 2 and the dining area. Okay, it's actually a small room. It's only 32 square meters, but furnished, except TV. Okay, we provide also Wi-Fi, and we're planning to put a fiber Wi-Fi in the room. So each floor will have their own Wi-Fi. Yeah, and then also we allow cooking, definitely, because we have kitchen. So here, there is a refrigerator, and then you can see the dining area, and we also put electric fan here, just in case, if the tenants living here, the backpackers, whoever that will be, if they don't want to turn on the aircon because they want to save or help Mother Nature, there is an electric fan. So you can see here the bed 3 number 4. Okay, so and then the chair here is not supposed to be like this. It is a foldable chair. Okay, so in the bed 3 and 4, you can see a fan in here. This is because just in case you want to put the blinds in your bed, because each bed has a black roller blinds where you can just roll down, so for privacy. And then this fan in, you can turn it on if you want the cold from outside to get in your space. In here, this is the view when you are sitting in bed 3 and 4, in bed number 3 or 4. Here, the view, you are facing the wardrobe with locks. So you can see here the fan in. And then here, you can also see the black roller blinds. Okay, here. You can pull it out, and we are trying to customize it so that once you're inside the bed, you can actually lock from the inside your roller blinds. So just in case you want a total privacy, you can lock it. But we're still working on it and how we're going to do that. But that's our plan. And then we are also putting a foldable table here where you can also work. You can put your laptop, and we are planning to put a 220 volts outlets and USB outlets as well. Now this is the balcony. So the balcony, this is where we put aircon condenser and some cleaning tools here. These metal railings from floor to ceilings, you can actually open this just in case there is an emergency. So you can get out of this and just climb down or climb up. You can climb down or climb up. This is your view when you're standing in front of the aircon condenser. So this is the hanging rod, and at the left side is the sliding glass door with screen door again. And then this is the roof deck and the water tank. So roof deck has light posts. The flooring should have a wooden outdoor tiles, but we haven't put it in the 3D yet. So basically this is the view. It's a small area, by the way, but the nice thing about this is you can just go up here, maybe meet other people who are also traveling the same as you. And the view here from the top, what I really love is you will have a view of the mountain. So here is a video of the view. I climb up to our rooftop, and this is what you will see when you are on the fourth floor. Let me know what you think about the plan, and if you have any suggestions or comments, and if you want to reserve a room in advance, you can actually email me, or email me at doityourself.com. As I mentioned, this is a 3-floor building. We plan to, the first floor will be for long-term rentals, and the second and third floor will be for Airbnb, backpackers, transient rooms. Everything here is already provided except TV and Sky Cable, because we wanted to eliminate other extra noise extra source of noise, because as we know, if there are backpackers inside a room, the noise is a major concern. And everything is provided except for that. And then since we are in a residential area, you can expect a quiet neighborhood. It's also safe. And so we are near a bakery and merchandising stores. And before I forget, the water, we plan to put a 8-stage water filter so that you can actually drink a water from the faucet. That's what we use, and we are okay. But if you are the type of person who is really sensitive, who has a very sensitive stomach, there is a water refilling station just about a few steps from the property, wherein a purified water. So once you are out of the property, you are already in the main highway. We are just one ride going to South Bus Terminal, one ride going to nearest mall, and there are a lot of eateries at in the vicinity, and we are near schools, universities as well. And we are 10 to 15 minutes private car ride going to SMC side. So if you are interested to go there, we are near about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so this is just the plan for now. So the construction haven't started yet, but we are on our way there. And we're just finalizing some papers and the costing as well with our contractors. And maybe once we started the construction, I'm gonna update you guys, hopefully every 1 or 2 weeks, what is going on with the construction. Okay, so if you are interested to reserve the property or a bed space, you can just contact me at my email address, doityourself@gmail.com. We plan to officially open in January 2020, but we are pretty sure that the building is ready before then. But we just targeted 2020 January because that's the comfortable date that we are 100% sure that the property is very ready. So, but it can be earlier than January. It could be November or August, September, November, somewhere like that. The building is already ready, but we also have to take care of the permits because we have to register the property as a business. So those are the updates of our project apartment, guys. I hope you let me know your thoughts. If you have any suggestion, if you've been into hostels, what are your suggestion to make your stay more better? Your advice to a landlord, that will be greatly appreciated. Okay, thank you so much. Hopefully to see you next week for our another Bisaya lesson. Okay, guys, so thank you again for spending time with me. If you're very new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye for now.